Okay, so you have practiced expressions. Now we're going to practice equations. Equation has the word, well, the letters EQUA, which means equal. So now you're going to have an equal sign in your equations. This is an example of an equation. It is a math sentence that says that one side of the sentence or one expression is equal to the other side or the other expression. Okay? So let's do some examples. I'm going to read this and we're going to figure out how to write that as a mathematical sentence. Last week, Mitchell earned $115 for mowing lawns. So he earned $115 last week. That is $35 more than he earned for mowing lawns this week. Write an equation to find out how much money Mitchell earned this week. So last week, he got $115. That was $35 more than he got this week. So this week, we do not know, but we do know if we add $35 to it, we'll get what he got last week. So we don't know what he made this week. We have no idea. But we know that we can add 35 to it, and it'll give us 115. That is an equation. To solve the equation, we'll work on some in class. But right now, I just want you to practice writing the equation. Okay, let me read another one. 3 children from the 6th grade class remained at school, and 12 children from the class went home on the bus. How many children are in the class? 3 children stayed at school, and 12 children went home on the bus. So altogether, we're going to find out how many children are in the class. Now, just by looking at that, you know the answer, but that is not what they want you to do. Right now, they want you to just write the equation. You may know the answer right now, but the equations are going to get harder. They're going to start having multiple operations where you add and subtract and divide all in one. So you need to practice just writing it down and setting up your sentence before you solve it. Okay? Okay, let's look at another example. The youth orchestra has 23 members. 10 of the members are boys. How many of the members are girls? Well, you can write that a couple different ways. You know that the orchestra has 23 members all together. So, you can say 23 altogether, 10 of them are boys, so I take away 10, and that will tell me how many are girls. Or you could say, well, I don't know how many girls are in the class, but if I add 10 boys, it'll give me 23 total. Either equation is fine as long as you've written down that you know the total of how many are in class, how many are boys, and then how many are girls. And girls, we are using our variable because we don't know. Okay, you guys are going to practice writing just the equation, doing numbers 1 through 12. Do not solve them. That's not what they want you to do right now. You can look at these and easily solve them, but that's not what they want. Just write down the equation for numbers 1 through 12. Number 1, it's kind of started for you. All you have to do is complete the sentence by filling in the numbers. And then 7 through 12, you are going to write the equation yourself. Okay? So you guys go ahead and practice that, and I will see you tomorrow.